Thank you, Chairman, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Okay.
I would like to thank the people of Raichur and Yadgiri districts and the leaders of my party for giving me this opportunity to continue to serve the people beyond my retirement. Yes, sir, it gives me a joy to be joining the list of civil servants who had the opportunity to be members of this august house. Sir, I come from a very special land, Raichur and Yadgir. It's a land of gold. It has 30 gold mines. It's the only operational large gold mine in India today. It's the rice bowl of Karnataka. It's the land of cotton. However, the dismaying factors of Raichur and Yadgir are also very, very distressing. I would like to come to that in a minute, sir. Sir, I had been to my constituency in the last 2 days. There is a widespread dismay in my constituency. Common citizen is asking why this kind of ill treatment to Karnataka? Why this kind of a partisan attitude by the finance minister? The party which is in power for 10 years could have walked the talk. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Very, very distressing statistics, sir. I would like to bring to the August House, sir. The per capita income of my constituency is less than 50% of the state average. The stunting among the children under 5 years is 58% in Yadgir and 40% in Raichur, sir. Anemia among women of 15 to 18 years is 62% in Yadgir, sir, 64% in Raichur. Whereas the multi-dimensional poverty index is 26% in Yadgir and 21% in Raichur, sir. The state average is just 7.5. So backward is my region, sir. We have got only two specific demands which have already been realized but has not been fructified, sir. One is that of the AIMS. Sir, AIMS has been already granted by this government in 21-22, but it's not functional, sir. Sir, it is high time that it is made functional. I request the ministry to take this up immediately, sir. Another important demand that is long pending is that of the airport, sir. This is the airport in which our Prime Minister Nehru made an emergency landing way back, sir. We have enough area. It is available, sir. Ministry of Civil Aviation could have announced now, sir, in the budget that the airport is... Sir,
Thank you. Thank you.